Hi everyone, welcome to the D5 Render Tips and Tricks series. In this episode, we'll show you how to create an animated LED light strip. Let's first take a look at the final result. Creating an animated LED light strip is actually quite simple, for which the key is in the video material. We need to prepare the video required for the light strip beforehand. We got two videos for you. Here is how they look. Next, open the D5 scene file for this tutorial. Press the hotkey I to select the material of the light strip. Choose Video as its material template and import the prepared video. Once it's loaded, adjust the intensity accordingly. Since we want to create an orange light strip, set the emissive color to orange. Finally, adjust the UV of the video material to a proper value. That's it. That's all for this D5 tips and tricks tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.